Petrochemical plant air separation enterprises still frequently replace desiccant, which is time-consuming and costly. The desiccant is quickly consumed, and dew point does not meet standards. Frequent shutdowns and replacements. Choosing a high-quality molecular sieve can directly solve all problems. Gas drying and deep adsorption can reach ppm level. It's stable and not fluctuating. Fast adsorption speed and large adsorption capacity. Deep dehydration and purification in one step. Strong thermal stability. It can be regenerated at high temperature. Double the service life. Say goodbye to frequent replacements. All models of 3A, 4A, 5A, 13X are available, covering all industrial gas drying needs. Perfectly suitable for natural gas deep dehydration. It's industrial standard. Ethylene and propylene fine purification. The purification effect is stable and reliable. Special for air separation, nitrogen and oxygen. The gas purity meets the standards throughout. Shanghai Joozeo source factory. Self-production and self-sale without middlemen. Strict QC throughout the process. Each batch has stable and controllable performance. Support custom particle size. Customized packaging to match your production line on demand. Large quantities of stable supply. Both foreign trade and domestic sales can be long-term. If you want free samples and complete technical parameters, please send us a private message directly from the factory.